Hello, my name is Gordon Hua and my teammate Chang Yang. We are from RSD Year 1 Sem 3 Group 2. And now we are going to present about our report for Fundamental of Computer Network. In this assignment, we are here as an engineer by Innovative Berhad. We are going to help and design and also set up the network for this company with the building according to the different location. We had to design, implement, and test the addressing scheme for the company. And we also help to configure the initial setting on the network device and configuring IP address parameters on host device to provide end-to-end connectivity. This is a table of the host required before growth and after 70% growth for each location. We have three locations, which is location A, Human Resources Department, to Operation and Management Department, and followed by location B, Quality Assurance Unit, and location C, Living Room. Next, addressing design. For addressing design, we choose the VRSM method, which is Variable Length Subnet Mask IP addressing scheme for our assignment. VRSM enable us to use the IP address space more effectively by assigning the different subnet mask length to different subnet compared to FLSM. In our network design, we decided to use class A address, which is start with 10.0.0.0, and we apply subnet based on our scenario. We decided to use router 2911 for our network design, which has two copper straight-through port and four fiber optic ports that are allowed to be connected. And we also assign all the last usable IP addresses for our router. For the switch, we use two switch 296024TT for the connection from router to location A and also the location area network itself. Besides that, we also use 4 switch PT for the connection from the router to location A, which is marketing department, operation and management department, location B, quality assurance unit, and also location C, living rooms, and the local area network itself. Other than that, we use 3 PCPT for each subnet to represent their host in our network topology. This is the VRSM table before group. The total host required of Human Resources Department is 4134640, and the network address is start with 10.0.0.0. The prefix length is 10, and the usable range is 10.0.01 to 10.63.255.254, and the broadcast address is 10.63.255.255, and so on. And this is a table after 70% growth. The total host required of Human Resources Department is 7028888, and the network address is also start with 10.0.0.0, but the prefix length changed to 9. In the first, the usable range is 10.0.0.01, and until 10.127.255.254, and the broadcast address is 10.127.255.255, and so on. And now I will pass to my teammate Yang to present the next part.
Good morning, everyone. So my name is Yang. So right now I will be presenting the addressing table. So in our addressing table, we will be using only one router, which is Cisco router 2911. But we will be having this interface because we are having multiple of switches. So the first interface of the router is a gigabit Ethernet 0/1, and the IP address is 10.127.255.254, and the subnet mask is 255.128.0.0. And as you know that the router do not have the default gateway. So right now I will be showing you that the router IP address. So this is our physical packet tracer. The router gigabit Ethernet 0/1. And so the IP address is for the gigabit Ethernet 0/1 is 10.127.255.254. That is the same. And the subnet mask is 255.128.0.0. Yeah, it's the same. So now I will go to the next the switch. So we'll be having set switch, and all the set switch will be all having the same interface, which VLAN one. So the first switch there is HR switch, and we'll be using 2960. So the first one IP address is the 10.127.255.253, and the subnet mask is 255.128.0.0, and the default gateway is 10.127.255.254. And how do we know our default gateway is the router IP address? So the the router IP address is the same as our switch default gateway. So now I'll be showing you that the switch, the SHA switch. So Cisco enable class show run. Yeah, the IP address for it is 10.127.255.254. Yeah, this is the same. And the subnet mask is 255.128.0.0. Yes, it's the same. And the default gateway is 10.127.255.1.254. Yeah, it's the same. Next, our end device. So according to our diagram, that we will be having total of 18 end device with PC. So all the PC we were having all the same interface with fast Ethernet geo, and the IP address for the first PC is 10.0.0.1, and the subnet mask is 255.128.0.0, and the default gateway is 10.127.255.254. Yeah, the default gateway is the same as the router IP address. So now I'll be showing the PC IP address. So PC0, and what's the name? Yeah, for the PC0, the IP address is 10.0.0.1. Yes. And the subnet mask is 255.128.0.0. Yeah, it's the same. And the default gateway is 10.127.255.254. Yes, it's the same. So move on to our next part is the network topology. So the first diagram, as you can see, we will be having three location, which location A, location B, location C. In location A, we'll be having human resource department, and sales department, marketing department, and operation and management department. And in location B, we'll be having quality assurance unit, and location C will be having event jump. So this is our detail of it, and how many each department got how many switch and PC. So next I'll pass to my teammate Tima to present the network configuration.
Yeah, now I will going to present about the network configuration. In this part, we have two sections, which is initial configuration and addressing. For router 0, we are going to config about the host name, the password score for all the line, and the enable secret password classes, and the service password encryption. And we also use the banner MOTD. For addressing, we apply the IP address and the subnet mask for each interface gigabit internet. For switch, we also config the host name and the password score for all the line, and enable secret password class. And we also use service password encryption and banner MOTD. For addressing, we apply the IP address and subnet mask for VLAN 1 and also the default gateway and so on. And this is a print screen of end device. We have PC0 to PC17. For example, PC0, in this print screen, it show the IP address and subnet mask and also default gateway. And now I will pass to my teammate Yang to present the next part.
So now I'll be present the pin connectivity. So this is some example of the PC to PC, and for example the PC1 to PC12. So now I'll be showing you one example in the Cisco package tracer. So PC1 to PC12. So pin, and I'll be typing the PC12 IP address. So the PC12 IP address is 10.240.0.1. So it's spinning. Yeah, because it's the first time, so it will request timeout. So I'll do a second time. And as you can see, it's the loss 0 and 0% loss. So we can successfully pin it. So next I'll be talk about the digital resource we use. So first we use the sneak and snatch to snatch to our screenshot our picture, our network topology. And next we'll be using the Cisco packet tracer to create our network topology. So this is an example. Next, we're also using Google Doc to write out our report. And we also using Zoom to present our report and record our presentation video. And the last one is the YouTube. Will be uploading our presentation video on the YouTube. And yeah, this is the end of our assignment, our presentation. So thank you everyone.